We're at our client's landscape and I'm standing in this beautiful natural meadow. And it was in fact the first thing I saw when I came for my first site visit. And we have this beautiful stand of little blue stem, which is a native warm season meadow grass and is really uncommon to see in this form in this developed suburban environment. And alongside that beautiful grass, we also saw a ton of Asiatic bittersweet, which is an invasive vine. So our client tasked us with the removal of this invasive species so that we can then later restore it with some wonderful, beautiful native wildflowers. So this two-phased approach here is the mitigation of the invasive problem as well as its restoration with the full potential using native plants. And so we're really fortunate not only to have a client that understands the value and beauty of a space like this, but also the team that's able to come in and surgically manage these invasive plants and also bring in and restore it with native plants. And that's how we really see our goals around green abundance, is seeing the full potential and beauty of our suburban environment and restoring it to its maximum potential.